Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Code for Tech Solutions. Today in this video I will show you how to install Java 24 on Windows 11 operating system with some easy steps. Please do not forget to like, subscribe and share before we go ahead. Next, to install Java 24 we need to search for Oracle Java download, and we can click on the first link which appears, and here you can scroll down. This is the dashboard of Oracle Java page, and here you can select the particular version which is JDK 24, and here are different platforms. We need to select Windows 24, and here it will show the respective installer for Java 24 and Windows operating system. Now we can select this 64 installer for Windows, and this is the option for that. Let me show you. So this is the option. We can click on this to start the downloading, and here we can see the downloading is in progress now. So we can see the download is complete. Now we can double click on this to start the installation. We can click on yes, and here we can see the download is started. Now we can click on next button, and this is the default directory wherein the JDK 24 will get installed. If you want, you can change this by clicking on this change button, but most of the time you can keep as is and click on next button. Now we can see our JDK 24 is installed successfully, and this is the message it is showing, and now we can close this. Now let us cross check our installation by opening the command prompt and using the command which is java space hyphen version. Now it is showing the JDK 24 as the installed version. So how it is showing? Because we have not set any environment variable like Java home, and we have not set anything in between the path, then how it is showing? So let us see that. Let me open the environment variables, and if you go it here inside environment variable, and we can see there is no Java home. Let us open the path, edit. Now we can see here we have not set anything as a Java home, still it is showing the right version in the command prompt. Why it is showing? Because the Oracle installer, it will our Java installer is managed by our Oracle Java installer, and that will ensure that our Java commands will work regardless of which JDK is installed. So sometimes we can install multiple JDK versions on our system. So in that case, this is the common path which will get updated by our Java installer. So if we install a new version, the installer may update these links, but sometimes the path still point to the older version if not updated manually. So it is always better if we are using the multiple Java versions to update this path manually. So how we can do that? So let me show you. So we can close this OK button. Now first we need to create one environment variable, system environment variable with name Java home. Now here as a value we need to locate the location where exactly our JDK is installed. It is by default getting installed on C program files, and inside that we have Java, inside that we have JDK 24. So this folder we need to point to. So this is the base directory where our Java JDK is installed, and that's why we have setting this variable name as a Java home. Now we can click on OK button. Next thing, we need to make one more entry inside path. So we can click on edit, and here we can add one new variable, and here we can set our Java home which we have just set inside percentile, and next we need to point to bin folder. We can click on OK. So this is the path file we have set. Now if you check, we have added this path file. Now we can click on OK. Why we are setting till bin folder? Let me show you. If we go to our C program files and where our Java is installed, so this is JDK 24. Inside that we have bin, and if we go inside the bin, inside bin we have everything that it needs to run our Java program. Like we have Java C, which is a compiler which will convert our Java file into the class file, and this is the interpreter, Java interpreter, which will execute our class file. So all these things which are needed to execute our Java program, we have set inside this bin folder. So that's why we have set our path environment variable till bin folder, Now if we check the Java version, so it will show the appropriate version we have set. So earlier also it was showing, but by now we have set it manually, so that it is showing the same. So if you set one new JDK version, so the link will get updated automatically, and if need be, you need to set the Java home and path variable manually, so that it will point to the desired JDK version. I hope you must have enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching this. Please do not forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you so much.